with national flag in their hands, placards in their hands reading "Justice delayed, justice denied." It's huge number of doctors from different hospitals of the national capital who have gathered right outside the Union Health Ministry's office. And these are the visuals right in front of the Nirman Bhavan, from where a couple of days back, you had the FODA officials meeting the Union Health Minister JP Nadda and announcing the rollback of the strike that was called by the Resident Doctors Association across the country. But after the attack in the RG Kar hospital on Wednesday night, things have changed in the past 48 hours. The FODA resumed its protest. The IMA announced that it is going to withdraw all OPD services from Saturday 6 a.m. Till the end of Sunday as well. And now you have hundreds and hundreds of doctors standing in front of Nirman Bhavan saying in one voice, we want justice, we want Central Protection Act. We are cutting across to these doctors as well to understand as to what is the anger that is bringing them here in front of the Union Health Ministry office. Ma'am, your name, what brings you out here? Because this time around the protest looks like very passionate one, full of anger.
My name is Dr. Aparna Setia. I am RDA President Maulana Azad Medical College. What brings us here? अगर मुझे ये बताना पड़ रहा है तो मुझे शर्म आ रही है, क्योंकि by now इस इंसिडेंट को आज 1 हफ्ता होने को आया है. अगर लोगों को नहीं पता है अभी तक तो हम अपसेट हैं, क्योंकि मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी को पता है बट नॉन मेडिकोज आर स्टिल अनअवेयर ऑफ द इंसिडेंट्स. हम इधर आरजी कर मेडिकल कॉलेज में जो इंसिडेंट हुआ, अ विक्टिम, a postgraduate resident was raped, murdered. हम उसके लिए जस्टिस के लिए खड़े हैं, जितने भी लोग यहाँ हैं. And there is an act called the Central Protection Act that was promised to us in 2019. That has still not come into action. It is an act for the protection of healthcare workers. We want CPA to come into action. We want a written assurance on that. And we want justice for the victim.
If I'm not wrong, even in 2019, it was Bengal from where the entire protest has started. The attacks had happened in a hospital in Bengal. So assurance was given to you. Even now the health ministry has given you an assurance. So, many would ask that why a protest outside the Union Health Ministry when the government is assuring?
I already answered that question. We could protest anywhere. This was a central point. And we don't believe it is one or either ministry which needs to take this forward. It is all of them together. They should stand united like we are standing united. एक मिनिस्ट्री दूसरी मिनिस्ट्री को मैसेज तो पास कर सकती है ना, उसमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So this is the location we chose. We are here and we hope our message goes across.
So the doctors who are protesting here this time around are more agitated. I can say the passion, the aggression has also increased because of the Wednesday night attack on the RG Kar hospital. What's your name? You have come here from which hospital? And do tell me that the anger in the doctor community has also increased. Is it because of the Wednesday vandalism at RG Kar?
This is highly unexpected, and we want our representatives from all the RDAs to address this issue in a better way. We are here to support the resident community as students from various medical colleges here.
The FODA had rolled back its protest strike, and after that attack on RG Kar, vandalism incident in RG Kar happened. Is it because of that you people are even more angry right now? The numbers have increased, the protest has intensified.
So the anger amongst the students has always been really high ever since the incident happened. And after the vandalism happened, we feel that we are directly at attack. So this can happen anywhere, this can happen to any of us. So this makes us more sensitized to come here and fight for this cause together.
One more question, after this particular incident, how safe do you find yourself on the campus, because I've been speaking to many of the resident doctors and women resident doctors, that they've been pointing out at the safety protocols on their campuses as well.
Exactly, the safety protocols are being followed, but when we come to think about us as individuals, we feel that maybe we are also not safe. Even at what we call a safe place, like what happened to that resident in Kolkata, this can happen to anyone. and we call the hospital a safe place. But if this can happen to anyone at their safe place, none of us are safe.
Let me also cut across to these visuals outside Nirman Bhavan to understand as to how many doctors from different hospitals of National Capital have assembled here. They are standing here in solidarity with the RG Kar, a doctor who was raped and murdered in a brutal manner. They are standing here in solidarity, with the doctors of RG Kar who are protesting and also demanding a Central Protection Act. Remember, in 2019, it was Bengal, where doctors were attacked in a Bengal hospital and the protests had started in Bengal. This took a shape of a nationwide agitation demanding Central Protection Act. 5 years later, it's a full circle. Again, these doctors are standing right in front of the Nirman Bhavan, seeking that Central Protection Act, and they are saying that this time around, it's not the verbal assurance that is going to, calm them down. They want a written assurance, a deadline. Along with that, they want the West Bengal government to act and justice for the victim of the RG Kar hospital rape and murder case. With video journalist Jagannath, Zamit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Delhi.